Today we got the 2012 F-150 with the 5-liter Coyote engine, and we're going to replace the thermostat. It's leaking at the thermostat housing, so I'm just going to replace that in the gasket and see what happens. So first we're going to take this hose from the air filter off. Just clip here, just going to use a flathead screwdriver, take those off. That out of the way. So it sits right down in here. Have to pull these bolts off. Got two bolts here, 8mm. One's right here, one's opposite side. You can't see it, but it's down on the bottom, same place. Just gonna go ahead and take those off with a ratchet. We got that out. Cut a bunch of the antifreeze down there. Got the bolts out. This hose is in the way of the view here, but just pull that out. This thermostat out of here. That's how that thing goes on there. This is the old one, which was leaking. Said thermostat's still good, I think, but I'm gonna put a new one in anyway. Here we got the O-ring. There's the thermostat I'm putting in. So slide it up in. This part goes up in there. It does not fit down in this hose, so it's nice and convenient. You can't put it in the wrong way like you can on some. So I'm gonna slide it up in here. It really doesn't stay all that good by itself. So put that there. Slide the O-ring up in. So the thermostat's in there. I put the hose in there just to hold it for a second. Put the hose out of the way. Should get this O-ring into place. It's not really difficult, but it's a bit of a pain because the thermostat just wants to fall out of there. So the O-ring's up in there, and the O-ring's kind of holding it in place now. Take the hose, put that in there, start these bolts by hand. Everything's lined up. So I got them started by hand. I'm just going to go ahead with the ratchet and tighten them up. Now I don't have the torque specs on these, so don't over tighten them. It is going into aluminum, so you can crack that. So it's all in there now, tightened up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna top off the fluid. I'll start it. Well, I'm gonna hook my air filter back up and everything, but I'm gonna top off the fluid and start it, let it run a little bit, and then check it and do it again. Now, here we go. Here's the controversy. This is what I put in here: antifreeze and coolant, peak, advanced universal formula. I know there are a ton of people out there who say you have to use the orange fluid in these Ford F-150s, and nothing against them. They can go ahead and do it if they want. I've talked to many mechanics and stuff that don't agree with that. I've been doing it for, let me see, about 130,000 miles, and right there's at 238,959.6. I've got a friend with 290 on his, and everything's working fine. No problems with the engine. This Coyote engine is awesome. So again, if you want to use the orange, if you're comfortable with it, use it. I use the universal. So thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, comment. Bye.